In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Capcut password using an iPhone. Now, before we dive into the actual steps, it's important to understand that Capcut, like many other apps, doesn't directly show your saved passwords. However, by following a few steps on your iPhone, you can uncover it quickly. Even if Capcut doesn't store the password directly, your iPhone might have saved it, so it's worth checking. Let's get started. The first step is navigating to your iPhone's settings. Once you're there, scroll down and find the Apps section. Within Apps, you'll see an option called Passwords. Tap on that and it will lead you to all the passwords your iPhone has saved for various apps and websites. This is where you'll potentially find the Capcut login information if it's been saved. Now at this point, depending on your iPhone's security settings, you might be asked to authenticate. This could involve entering your passcode, using Face ID or Touch ID. Don't worry, this is simply a protective measure to ensure your passwords remain secure. Go ahead and authenticate with the method that works for your device. Once authenticated, you'll reach the password section. Use the search function at the top to look up Capcut. You can also try searching Capcut alongside your email or username if the simple keyword doesn't yield any results. It's crucial because the entry might be saved under a different detail that has a record of your account credentials. Upon locating the Capcut entry, tap on it. This will open up the details of your saved login, including the password for your account. Make sure you note this down someplace safe, or remember it if you're attempting to log in from another device. Now, if after searching you find that there's no saved password for Capcut on your device, don't worry. There's a simple alternative. Head straight to the Capcut app. Once you're there, tap on Login, then choose the Forgot Password option. This will initiate a password reset process, allowing you to create a new password. Follow the prompts and soon you'll have access back to your account. These steps are simple yet effective for uncovering your password or setting a new one if it's not saved. Always ensure that you're storing your passwords in a safe place for future reference, and consider using a password manager if you find it hard to keep track of them. We hope this video helps you regain access to your account swiftly and securely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.